Okay, so here's part 2 of the chart work for acts 1 and 2, or sorry, scenes 1 and 2 of Act 4. We're going to fill out some information about Antony. So I am going to skip, we're going to go to like page 10 here for scene 1. Okay, this will work. So I'm going to start here. We don't really know. I think I'm just going to take physical appearance out for next year. I don't even know why I still have that in here. I got this idea from like a chart or like another curriculum site, and I guess they thought you could find physical appearance. I don't know. So don't really worry about that. We're going to go to speech. We're going to start with speech first. And so I'm just going to use, actually skip over this. And go to, okay, I'm going to use this right here. So starting in line 231, 232, 232, 232, 233, 234. I'm going to copy this over. So this is Antony talking. What did I say? 232, 234. Hold on just a second, sorry. My phone's about to die. Okay. Okay, so that is speech for Antony. And then we're going to use thoughts is going to be the ending speech from this scene because he is by himself on stage. After everyone has left, this one right here. So I am actually, I'm gonna look on my chart really quick and see if I've used this already from scene 3. Or sorry, act 3, scene 2. Yep, I have right here. So I am just going to copy and paste this and scroll down. And like I've said before on these videos, if you need to stop and type something in, stop and type it in. It's fine. It's totally fine. Use this video as you need to for your benefit. Okay, I'm going to hit paste without formatting. Okay. Oh, this also needs to be 11. There we go. So those are his thoughts because he's on stage by himself talking about the conspirators. And then we need to also find other character speech and thoughts about Antony. So what we can do is, let's go back to Know Your Shakespeare. We're going to go back up here to table of contents. I'm gonna go to Act 2, Scene 1. And we are going to go to the scene, come on, you can do it, where the conspirators are at Brutus's house. I don't know how far down to go here. Let's go to page 5. And Cassius wants to kill Antony, and Brutus says no. And Brutus talks about how, oh, we're getting closer. There we go. And then Brutus says, for Antony is but a limb of Caesar. Let us, so we could use that, or we could use where Cassius says, we shall find of him a shrewd contriver, and you know his means. I'm going to use this one because I like that Cassius kind of knows more about him than Brutus does. Or that he's more observant maybe about him. So this is Cassius talking. I hit paste without formatting. There we go. Take out line number. It's fine if you have capital letters in the middle of it. It's not a big deal. It's just where the new lines start on Know Your Shakespeare. So this is from Act 2, Scene 1, lines 164, 65, 66, 67, 68. So 164 through 8. Okay. So that's all we're going to fill in about Antony. So his speech is that he is friends with them. He's acting like he's friends with them when he goes to when he goes in after Caesar's been killed. When they leave, we have his thoughts about how he really feels, and then we have other character speech and thoughts about him that Cassius does not trust him, and he is correct not to trust him. Okay, so if we won't worry about Octavius till Act 5. There's not a ton to fill out about Octavius. As far as the theme focus goes, we'll worry about this when we get back to school. We'll do this part together, okay? Alright, so that is all I have for you. Make sure that you are filling in your chart. If we are not in school on Friday, then I'll post another video and we'll do Scene 3 together, and that's all we'll do on that day, okay? Stay warm, and I will talk to you later.